Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best 360-degree camera in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a 360-degree camera that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these 360-degree cameras, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
The best camera is the one that captures every angle. Meet the Insta360 It records in every direction, so you never miss a shot. Shooting in 360 unlocks some amazing possibilities, like hypnotically smooth stabilization, or a selfie stick that disappears, so that your camera can fly. Slow things down to get a mind-blowing perspective. Cinematic edits are easy. Just mark the best parts of your shot. The one connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Lock on to any subject. The one keeps it steady in center frame. Show 2 angles at once and get the whole story. Use the one on its own, or shoot 360 straight from your phone. You can focus on enjoying the moment. The one will take care of capturing it.
Worry about getting the shot. What if you could always get the shot? Check out Rylo, the camera that lets you capture the world in 360 degrees. Rylo records video in every direction at once, so you can compose the perfect shot and focus on the subject you want after you finish recording. Capturing all 360 degrees lets us do some incredible things, like cinema quality stabilization, so your videos never feel handheld. With front back, you won't miss a moment. Your point of view and your reactions can be in the same frame. And adding dynamic movement is as easy as dropping points throughout your video. Rylo will handle the rest. But what if your subject is moving? Well, you can select it, and the Rylo app will track it in frame. Want to visit another world? Just pinch to see a new perspective with Rylo Tiny Planet. Stay in the moment, capture everything. Available now.
Welcome to the world of 360 interactive video that is taking content to new heights. Here at KODAK PIXPRO, we're dedicated to bringing new and innovative technology to market, and our family of 360 VR cameras is a great example of just that. Meet the Orbit 360 4K camera, a unique design and answer to all-in-one 360 VR, with 2 fixed focus lenses housed in a futuristic and compact body. This model is actually 3 cameras in one. Use the front lens alone for 4K ultra-wide 197-degree traditional videos, the back slightly larger lens for dome or fisheye mode, or use the 2 lenses in tandem for fully interactive 360 photos and videos that can be stitched together in camera and uploaded to social media right away, or use our free software for 4K stitching. The Orbit 360 4K is sold in 2 bundle packs that give you plenty of accessories, allowing you to use the 360 camera right out of the box, which is an incredible value. Add Facebook and YouTube compatibility to share your photos and videos on the go, and you'll be the next social media star. Each pack comes standard with a camera, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, AC adapter and charging dock, USB cable, clear lens and rubber protective covers, mini Bluetooth remote control, camera case, and cleaning cloth. This camera takes a micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes for plenty of room to store your 4K files. The Orbit 360 is equipped with a stereo mic input, Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi enabled for added convenience. With the ability to shoot in burst mode, time-lapse, loop recording, and more, this 360 camera gives you plenty of options for every occasion in capturing what you love to do from every angle.
This is Fusion.
The magic behind Fusion is turning multiple images into a single spherical image.
You shouldn't have to point at what you want to film. You should just be able to film what you're experiencing. And Fusion makes that possible.